Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at home, and I hope you all are doing your work nicely. Already we have started the chapter, and now we are going to complete the chapter, that is time, chapter number 18. Today we are going to discuss word problems on time. I hope the rest all exercises you have completed very nicely without any difficulties. Now we are going to move ahead with the word problems, in which you are going to get the conversion, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as well related with the time measurement. I hope you all will be able to do all the things nicely without facing any problem. My dear, let's begin with the next exercise, that is time word problem. Yes, my dear, this is the today's topic, time word problems. Word problems, we all already know that when we used to solve the word problems, we used to read the question very nicely, which you all don't used to do, and then you used to get confused. So it's a request from my side, my dear, to everyone that please do read the statement or the question which is given nicely, so that with the help of that you can solve the questions easily. If you are not going through, then you will not be able to know that you have to find out the leftover amount, you have to find the sum of the amount, or you have to multiply, or you have to get the divide by dividing. So for that you have to go through the question very nicely. At least twice you read the question so that you will be able to understand what to do in this question. Let's move on with some basic tips. Few other tips. You cannot always add or subtract the hours and the minutes because time is based on 12, not 10. So instead count the time. What would be the time on the clock? 3 hours after 11 a.m. After 11 a.m. you have to count the 3 hours. So you cannot add or subtract here anything. What you will do, you have to count on the hours. So from the 11, if the time is going to be 12, then 1 hour is passed. From the 12, if the time is going to be 1, then the 2 hours has been passed. From the 2, if the time is going to be 3, then 3 hours has been passed. It means that from the 11 to the 3 o'clock, there are 3 hours passed. How many? 3 hours passed. It is written here. You can see it is diagrammatically shown to you all that how it is been there. Okay. So till 2 o'clock, 3 hours has been passed. Till 3 means it is written as 3 hours. What time it will be after 3 hours from 11 a.m. So after 3 hours from 11 a.m. the time is 2 o'clock. And 3 hours has been passed. It means the time is right now 2 o'clock. Few more word problem. Anton and Titos moved lawns for 3 hours and 20 minutes. They finished at 1:30 p.m. What time did they started? The question is that there are two persons. They were playing in the lawns, and they are playing for 3 hours and 20 minutes. And at 1:30 they have finished. Okay. So what time they have started? What time means you have to calculate before. Means if 1:30 they have finished, so before that you have to calculate 3 hours and 20 minutes. So suppose at 1:30 they have finished, and you can subtract 12:20 from that, then you will get 1:10. You will get 1:10. You can see like this. How you are going to calculate this? Just see. See, my dear, if 3 hours 20 minutes before they have started, it means that they have started playing at 10:10. From the 10:10, if you will calculate, then they have finished at 1:30 because they have played for 3 hours and 20 minutes. So if they have started, it is written that when they have started playing from 10:10. Okay, from 10:10, and then they have finished at 1:30 p.m. See, it is 7:50 p.m. and Lydia needs to practice the piano for 30 minutes. What time will it be when she finished? Okay, what time it will be when she finished. So if she has started, okay, what it is written, it is 7:50. Right now the time is 7:50 and she has practiced for 30 minutes. She practiced for 30 minutes. She practiced for how much minutes? 30 minutes she practiced from 7:50. So it means that if from 7:50 she has practiced for 30 minutes, it means she has practiced till 8:20. Till 8:20 she practiced the piano. Means 30 minutes she has practiced. So from 7:50, if you will calculate the 30 minutes, you are getting 8:20. So at 8:20 p.m. she has finished playing the piano. Just as same you all can see here, the question is Sam stopped playing badminton at 6:30 p.m. Okay, he played badminton for 2 hours 15 minutes. This is the time at which he started playing and the duration which he played, that is 2 hours 15 minutes. When did he start playing the badminton? He stopped playing the badminton. So my dear, 6:30 is the ending time given, but what is the starting time? That is not given. The start time we have to find out, the ending time is given, and the duration from the start time to the end time is also given. Okay, from the start time to the end time she played for 2 hours 15 minutes. But what time she has started playing? My dear, if we are knowing, we will make two columns, one for hour, one for minute. We will write 6 hours 30 minutes upside, and just below that we will write 2 hours and 15 minutes, for which time she has played. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So what we will do, we will take one carry from 3. It will be 10. 10 minus 5 will be 5. And here it is 2, because 1 it has already given. 2 minus 1 will be 1. You will get 15 minutes. Now here it is 5. 5 minus 2 will be, sorry, here it is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. We have not taken carry here from here, na? So 6 minus 2 will be 4. So from 4:15 she started playing the badminton match and she played till 6:30, and during that starting to the ending time she played for 2 hours and 15 minutes. So you will write the starting time when she started playing is 4 hours 4:15. Next question. Amita was born on 14th July 1997 and her brother was born on 21st October 2002. Who is elder and by how much he is elder? Periods from 14th July 1997 to 13th July So from the 14th July to 13th July 2000 there is 5-year duration. After that, from the period 14th July 2002 to 13th October 2002 there are 3 months. Period from 14th October 2002 to 20th October 2002 there are 7 days more. Include 14 October and exclude 21st. Okay, include 14 October but exclude 21st October. Total time period is 5 years, 3 months, 7 days. Hence, Amita is elder to her brother is 5 years, 3 months and 7 days. How we have calculated? It was very simple. From July to July we have calculated first. Okay, years we have just changed. Now from 1997 to 2002, from 14th July when she was born till 13th July we have calculated. After calculating this much, my dear, we have seen that after calculating this much, we have seen there are 5 years. After that 5 years, there are 14. From the 14th July, means after 13th July, from the 14th July, I have calculated till 13th of October. When she means till 13th of October, means before 1 day okay, of her birth, Amita's birth. So that I have got 3 months. And then after, from the 14th October, after 13th, 14th October till 20th October, because when 21st October her brother was born, so till that we have calculated, and that was 7 days. So when together we have calculated, then we have got the exact number of days the Amita was elder than his brother, that is 5 years, 3 months and 7 days. In the same way, it is the next question we are having, that is, the swimming pool is open from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. The duration for which it is open was 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning, and then from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening. 2 times it used to get open. In the morning time from the 5 to 10, and in the evening time from 5 to 9. So my dear, for how long is the swimming pool open in a day? How long is the swimming pool is open in a day? In the morning, the swimming pool is open from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. which is 5 hours. Okay, which is 5 hours. From that, so from the 5 a.m. to the 10 a.m. the duration which she is covering is 5 hours. In the evening, it opens from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. It is covering there 4 hours. 5 hours plus 4 hours is total 9 hours. Means the swimming pool used to get open in the morning for 5 hours and in the evening for 4 hours. Means total it used to get open in a day is 9 hours. Means for 9 hours the swimming pool gets open. That's all my dear. I hope you all have enjoyed learning what problems on time. If any query or problem will be there, you can come with that in the online classes, in the offline classes. I will be there to solve it. That's all my dear. Thank you everyone.